Sinjamai parking da tungi generation ki damakta akoi na si thingi base akoi nungsa marak sida akoi thinging da na thingba na te akoi na hongning da na hoba I hong na te se tungi isa isu generation ki damakta kala akoi ki 2027 la khaga di akoi se kari oiga do no ha se khangba ngamdrabani kaigumba akoi na sigi I ho se kanna ho jaba taraga di akoi ki tungi generation ki isa isung sing se Minai Naitang or Horagani Haibagi, Wakalon, the question Jamai Parking, Imam Maira by the Mayangalina, I quit in Javani, Aduna, I quit Mapi Mapa or Riba, Akoigi, State Sarkagi, Mapi Mapa or Riba, since Nasu, Wakanmuna, Kandabi Haraga, I quit na Parzana Tauriba Tabakse, Suminata Lali Habase, Wakan Katan Kandahani, Center Sakana, Koibu, Aduki Matik, I quit Meetei here, Kari Hanga Ubi no Hungre. Meetei have the Meetei la Pataki Meetei la Pataki Masibota, Satara Iba Konjangasida, Makogi Manas Dangasibok the half deba. Tana Tasana deba. Una Usana de a koi person, Moidang in over Yagadraba. Moidang Asigi generation la Kadori size Susan de Mogi Masama Sudan in over Yagadori Bla, Tungi Mirongi the Matani Koino, Moidang in over Nasi. Kan balai mina lai baksi kan bangang ngadori berapa? Aku lagi ima lai baksi kan, tapi ada. Aku lagi singi dah imarik amat sih liba. Makai gede. Aku lagi ima lai bak kan, tapi ada. Hai tu nak aku singa mai paking di. Mai rapai bi mai anggal loina na. Aku Allah se aku potes se tok jaban.
It is regarding the NRC and the census. Firstly, I would like to put on record that the government has been very, very serious about the NRC and the census, and the concern is more of the demographic changes, the demographic imbalance that is in our state, and also the issue of illegal migrants that has been the utmost concern by the Manipuris. So in this regard, first of all, I would like to reiterate that we are with the people of Manipur. Their concerns, that about the issue of having the census before having the NRC. So I would like to put on record that the government is always a continuous process. In the year 2022, on the 5th of August, the Assembly had passed a resolution that we would like to have the NRC taken up in our state. And we also reaffirmed the resolution that was taken in August in 2022 on the 1st of March 2024. And so this has been a long-standing issue that has been of utmost concern by our government, and not only the resolution that's been taken up in the Assembly, and also the resolution that's been taken up by the government. The government has been having a correspondence with the Union Home Ministry, and on the 16th of January 2023, a letter was also sent from the Commissioner of Government of Manipur to the then Union Home Secretary, who is now our governor, the Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri Haojik2. And we also got a reply on the 6th of February 2023 from the Deputy Registrar General. And again, on the 12th of June 2024, a letter was also sent to the Union Home Secretary by Dr. Meetei-kuki, Joint Secretary Home Government of Manipur. So this is the continuous work that we've been putting on, that we also are on the same boat as with the people and also with the CSOs, that it is for our people, for our state, that we all stand in the same boat, and we should definitely have the NRC before the census. So this is the stand we all have, and we have been pushing for this NRC right from before, and we will also keep on continuing the request, the pressure that to be put on the central leadership as well as the central government, and along with it, to continue, we had already planned before that a team of the honorable MLAs would be going to Delhi to seek guidance, and also to request them and pressure them to make sure that the NRC is taken up before the census. And so it is a responsibility for all of us. No, it's not only the elected, but it's all for it's for our people, for our state, and I'm sure some positive direction will come about.
Nong maraksida imam yam chumna khaklai jabasida teagi aska kapakpasidi tasengna yam nungaijade sumaina Manipur police ki ka hen malujadaba thong sida ni miyam na amumu penadribase makoi Manipur masa natabra haina haye hangnaribase madudugini samsamna leijaramba nong marakta leijariba imam yamse DC ke namanga lei haibagi damakta sumaina teagi aska kapasidi yam nungaijade